Welcome back to the channel. I'm out by the Lexus RX450 hybrid. This brake caliper has started leaking brake fluid. Here we can see the pads have gotten in a lot on the stamp cylinder or piston and come out so much that it's opening, so it's let fluid pass by this one and then have to be also in the one in there. Now I have to clean up here, and I got some new parts, so I'm going to change the rubber parts around the stamp in the caliper and put a new stamp maybe also. I bought a set with a new one, I hope. So now just taking off the wheel. For a moment it's only on the jack stand. I'm going to put the wheel under. If something happens, it's going to drop down to the wheel. So we just have to start. Yeah, typical Toyota Lexus, 14mm or 17mm on different things. So now just I'm starting to loosen the brake caliper. Before I loosen that pipe for the brake here, I need to lock off so as little as possible of the brake fluid is just draining right out. Just note that I'm going to get so to save it, we're going to drop out some brake fluid. See on this one, it come out all too much out, and they start to leak around, leak out to the brake. So that's what we have to fix and everything. So it was just a big mess. So now I have to remove the brake pads, clean up here, and clean everything with brake cleaner before I can think about doing anything to put together. And I have to take out the service part and check here. I put this one together and clean up what I need to clean up. Now taking off the brake. As you can see, this is sucked with brake fluid, completely ruined, can't be used anymore. New brake shoes. Trying not to mess them up with too much fat from my arms. They are more or less twice as thick as the one I was taking off. And we are heating on using a special fat grease made for brake that should take the heat. Yeah. by definition this should go easy as a, yeah, it jumped in perfectly, no problem. That's not common for me. Most of the time it's just a problem. Put it on the areas that's going in between the locker system. Yeah. Yeah, now I got them to move. This one moved very easy, this one a little slower. I get the sliders, they move good. So now I cleaned up a little more here. Yeah, now I got that one out. I'm not sure if it's because I can't see that it's something wrong with this. So all my leakage could be because it started to come out so far out. But when I get it out now and just remove it, I have a new one. You see here the rubber. Yeah, that looks to be okay. I can't see anything wrong in there either, but I have new parts, so I'm thinking just to change it. I should have a smaller screwdriver to get in and remove this. Yeah, now I remove the sealer here. It's not ruined, but I have a new one I can put in. This one I can try to clean it and put it in as a spare. On the inside here you have a rubber. Yeah. This one I have new too, so I'm just changing them, but they don't look ruined. The set that I ordered come with the new outer. New inner and grease for everything, for the sliders. New bleeding nipple also. I was thinking maybe it was ugly and things in here, but it's not. It's very nice. So it's no point being afraid of that. This one was very, very big. Now maybe I could be more lucky with getting it to what? This one is not going in there at all. It's not right. No, it's the wrong size. Actually, it's wrong size. I got wrong parts. No wonder the one in there was too big. It's not right for the car. Then I have to try to clean up this more and reuse it for a moment. I reuse the... maybe I can put on the new outer one. Yeah, I have the new outer rubber seal here. The old stamp. See here, let's go in. Very nice. Put in that thing around here. Yeah. Now I have the new inner line here I'm not using. On the old outer. And the new piston was not working. More parts. Let's see if I can be able to change how to find 8 or 10 millimeter. Yeah. Just have to put in this 14 millimeter bolts again. It looks opposite here. I don't have to stress more with that. That's good. Then I need to get this system in. Yeah. Just have to keep on fighting to get that one to enter. Then we have got the things together. I try to clean up. Now I have to bleed the brakes. So I have to do that. I'm going to make another video just how to change the brake pads for the other side, because I haven't got the same problem there yet. I'm going to change it soon, but today I can't do much more. But I have to see if I have to go in by the computer to bleed the brake like I had to do on the other car. I think it's the same problem here. Yeah, I'm starting to wondering about some big thing here. I see how this looks like to be a quite new caliper. is standing. It's over to one side. And it seems like I have a lot of space in there. A lot of space. If this is 10 millimeter brake disc, and I was looking at the net, Google IE say that, yeah, the brake parts are in, but the big question for me now, I think this is not right. I think the cars here should have a much bigger brake disc. Much bigger. So I'm trying to find out. This is 10 millimeter wide. This is a Norwegian sold Nordic version. I think this should have the 18 millimeter ventilated disc. So I think when this one have been in service one time, someone had done wrong and put on wrong system. So we have to see. But now I have to bleed the brake, and I think we have to do it on the computer, like we did on the RX400 hybrid. Yeah, I'm trying to bleed the brakes, and the safest easiest way for me should be to go in by a scanner. I was doing this on the RX400 hybrid, and now I'm just trying to go in here, and you should be able to start the system to decide which wheel you want to bleed, and decide that on the scanner, and you should start up the bleeding there, and you open and close in the back when you're finished. So now I can try that, or I can try that. Now I hope the camera can see it okay, but I have on the OBD I have ABS bleeding. Lexus. Yeah, this video did not end as I was thinking, because it's more problems. The thing that it start leaking and things, I think is because it's a wrong brake disc on the car. It's yeah, 10 millimeter thick brake disc without coolant openings, and those cars made for Nordic climate is supposed to be delivered with 18 millimeter cooled disc, double disc. And then the whole system with the piston, how far it's come out, and the brake disc and everything, and the brake pads, everything is wrong. It's coming out wrong position, and it's come out too much. So now I ordered new brake disc, both front and back. I'm going to go over everything on that car, because we can't have it like this. It's just going to be a problem in a short time again, and we are going to drive it to vacation and things. So now it's just, yeah, just go order the parts and hope they can get in during the week when we start now. So I hopefully can fix it, because I need it to drive to some place soon. So I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping. So thank you. Please come back. Please start following if you haven't done that. In many RX400, RX450 videos, many other Lexus, a lot of other videos. So yeah, and please put a comment. Thank you.